Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Now, I've got a parcel in the post. I've been waiting on this little parcel to arrive, and it finally has. So, it's come with a little note on it. So let me have a quick read. Right, it says, "Thanks for becoming my first customer. Here is a note from my 11-year-old. Andy Bonsai Crazy, thank you for buying Dad's bonsai stick. He worked very hard on it. We hope you're happy with it. Enjoy." So, should we have a quick look? Let's get it out. Don't want to break it. Well, so I finally got it out of the box, and as you can see, Dan's piece of work is absolutely brilliant. It fits in there perfectly and sits on my table really nicely. Very nice piece of work he's done. Piece of carving it out, and I'm going to look forward to using this in my when I do some root work and stuff. That's going to be great. Doing some chopstick work, pushing the soil down and stuff. That's going to be really great. It's actually really nice. I'm very pleased with that, Dan. It really is great. Look, smashing piece of work. It really is. It really does look cool on the table. I'll give you a little close-up look. And thanks for the note from your son. That's grand. That's brilliant. And if any of you do want to buy one of Dan's chopsticks, then his channel is the Bonsai Project. Go to his channel or go on eBay and put in handmade wooden chopsticks, and he's got a couple left, so have a look, and they're reasonably priced, so go and have a look and get one off him. They're very cheap, so really not that much money. So it's great work, Dan. Brilliant. I'll catch you later, guys. Ta-da.
Noche ni